Okay, in my ever-growing effort to put out a video a day for this year and make them substantial, I know yesterday, just to keep this timeline going, just in case uh, they get posted out of order, I did the Dofiki honeycomb for the X-Tool P3. I know I said the next video several days ago was going to be the IR for the P3. I decided not to do that for various reasons. It's just because it's going to take some setup because I did the unboxing. I said my next one's going to be actually putting it in. I decided not to put it in. What I probably should have did today was yesterday and the day I've actually been putting up a box for it. I should have probably done that, but I didn't. What I am going to do today is going to be an unboxing of something super, super unusual. This is the Kitten salt spoon and bowl. So this is straight from Japan, Nippon. A friend of mine was in Japan for her father's. Well, actually, she went there because she was told her father was on his last leg. She actually kept going back to Japan because she kept being told that, and then he would be okay. And it's like, hey, it's getting a good win. Come back, and then I keep going back. And this time it was the last leg. So fortunately for her, or unfortunately, however you want to put it, it was the last leg. While she was there, I actually saw a YouTube short on this thing. It uses some magical Japanese technology, or these things that make it where when you use it and it's on, whenever you're eating, tastes like it has salt in it. So if like you're on a low sodium diet or something, while these are on, you could eat the item and it tastes like it's got salt. So I'm going to do the unboxing now, and then I'm going to try something unsalted and then with salt, and that'll be a separate video. I did not have to pay for this. The person actually gifted these to me. I don't know why. So I'm very fortunate that they gifted these to me. And the reason is I did not think these would cost too much. I figured that, maybe $50, $40 or something. They were very expensive. Expensive on let's just put it this way. If you were to go to eBay, because they don't sell this in the US, but you can find them on eBay. This set is like $450, something like really, really super expensive. I think it's like $250 if you convert it to US dollars, but it's like twice as much in the US. So let's go ahead, let's crack on, and I'm going to open it. It's not going to be super big. Hopefully, well, not hopefully. I know that since they don't sell this in the U.S., the instructions are going to be in Japanese. I used to speak a little bit in Japanese. I was stationed in Japan. I lived there for 4 years, but I have a theory. I'm going to have to translate this a little bit later, and I don't want to turn it on and mess something up. So at the very least, let's go ahead and get it open. Okay, let's get our trusty dull box cutter opener here. It's a little plastic on it from the last opening. This time I just go get another set of these suckers. Oh, wait a minute. Here are the instructions. It actually says electric salt. Okay, it says about, but then everything's in Nihongo, aka Japanese. I was hoping they would have some English, And I got to go use Google Translate. Okay. I'll translate this later. I don't remember enough to do this. At least this is all in hiragana. I could read hiragana and katakana. I was very weak on kanji. Okay, so the spoon is in two parts, and we got a battery. So I guess I don't know where the battery goes. I'm not going to put it together just yet. I'm going to make assumptions you open this up and put the battery here because it's too small for this. I don't know. I don't think it'll hurt me if I put it together. Looks like it's got a little lock unlock thing. Oh, oh, let's see. Yeah, I think I need a coin to open the little battery thing there. So I don't have a coin. Okay, that is it for this ultra expensive, like 150. I mean, the three, I think the 250 was with the set. If you buy them separately, it was way more expensive. I ought to bring my phone up here and see if I can bring back when she was in wherever and was telling me showing me the prices because I was going like, oh man, you went all the way to the store. I don't know if I got that kind of money. That she's like, no, I'm going to gift these to you. I didn't even say anything. I was going to go like, you know what? I don't need that much for some dang salt. Here goes the bowlies. And it just says electric salt. Of course, no English. The other one didn't have it. Okay, this one had a female. This one has a male. As if it matters. Man, okay, this is so this must be whatever is given the salt effect. I don't see where to put the, oh, there's some kind of a base here. This is some, I don't know, this ain't no, some thin up plastic here. So this, it looks like, it does one of these little numbers here. Has some, where do I see here? Okay, it's around here. Where is it? There it is. Unscrew here. Oops, make sure I get it. Put the battery in, out, and there's the battery. Okay, so that's it. Um, maybe tomorrow I will do that for you guys and try to taste something with and without salt, or that doesn't have much salt in it. Okay, maybe tomorrow I will try to taste something with and without salt. So I can see if it actually works. I had made some pot roast yesterday. My wife didn't put any salt in it. And I was going like, you know what, that'll be perfect to do this today. And then I mentioned something about it not having salt. And of course, she then put some salt and pepper in it. I actually meant for just the one bowl, but she did it for the whole thing. I'll have to ask. Maybe she just did it for the bowl. If she just did it for the bowl she served me last night, I will do that for lunch and test it out. But I do one of these a day, so I have to wait till tomorrow. We'll see. And if not, I'll do something and make it low salt and then, half in the bowl here and half in. Well, I don't know. How should I do it? Should I do something with the bowl and the spoon? And something with just the bowl, just the spoon? I don't know. We'll figure it out. And we'll come to some kind of conclusion if a 200 and something. Let's see if I can even find it. Hold on. I'm going to go to my text was choosing pins. See if I can find that. I'll tell you the price in Japan. Okay, wait a minute. This is me. This is me sending it to her, talking about it. And I saw the short on YouTube or the TikTok or whatever. Here. Okay, so okay, she sent me the okay, this is for the set. It was 24,750 yen. So, or was it? Hold on, wait a minute. Is that for the set or for what? Oh no, that was for the spoon. So the spoon was 24,750 yen. The bowl was 26,950 yen. So let's do some conversions. Let's see. Hopefully you can hear Alexa. Alexa, convert 24,750 yen to US dollars.
24,750 Japanese yen, about 157 US dollars and 94.
Okay. Alexa, convert 26,950 yen to US dollars.
26,950 Japanese yen, about 171 US dollars. 10 cents.
So it was about 320 bucks for this stuff. Ouch. That's what in Japan, and it's twice as much on eBay. Damn. This better be some salty ass stuff. Damn, that is the man. Okay. Okay, that's kind of man. That was a lot. That was a good gift. Okay, so that was my unboxing of the Kitten salt spoon and salt bowl. That's just the unboxing. Yeah, we'll give it a try sometime this week. Let's get something better to do a daily substantial video on. I got a lot of stuff to do videos on. Okay, see y'all.